Hello everyone, I'm Clay and a very beautiful weather today. And I'm in the backyard of my grandpa's house. And this is a passion fruit tree.
Yes, my home island of Kikai is located in the south of Japan, so tropical fruits are very delicious. So this passion fruit tree is grown by my mother. So the harvest time is from June to July. So today I'd like to harvest this passion fruit and make a delicious passion fruit juice.
超大きい。きれい。
In other place also, passion fruits is growing. So, okay, from now on, I'd like to harvest passion fruits for the first time in my life.
Hi, how about look? They're so big passion fruits here. I will take it. これ、こんな感じで取ったらいいわけ？
もう売れてるからね、取っていいよ。
こうね。こんな感じでスパッチ取れるの？
そう、ピンを外したらね。
わあすごい I got it すごいあと他に Which one can I take it? This one?
うん、そうだね。
こうすごい取れた I got it すごいこれでパッションフルーツジュース作る I will make a passion fruit juice with this one This one じゃーん Totally I got 3 passion fruits So, okay Let's make a passion fruit juice
So, okay, these are the ingredients for today. And the passion fruit is rich in vitamins, so I make this every morning and drink it. So, okay, let's cut the passion fruits in half. Hmm, あんまり入ってなかった。じゃん。So passion fruits is a fruit that people either love or hate because some people feel that looks gross. However, the poppable texture is very exciting and the taste is sweet and sour. So cut the remaining passion fruits in the same way and put them in the other glass. お、これはいっぱい入ってる。はい、パッションフルーツ入りました。And then I will add about 1 tablespoon or 1.5 teaspoon of honey. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that feel free to adjust the amount of honey to your liking. And then I'm gonna use the sparkling water. I'm gonna use the ice. It's like a cocktail. 美味しそう。じゃーん、できました。Passion fruit juice. Very simple, but the taste is super delicious. 可愛くない？ Looks cute. So I will try the taste. So, okay, I will try the passion drink. いただきます。爽やか。I'm eating the passion fruit seed. Little bit passion fruit is a sour taste, but I added the honey. That's why little bit sour, but I can feel the very sweetish taste. Not bad. 美味しい。I can feel the very fresh and tropical juice. This is a summer drink.
So I'm digressing, but I'd like to share with you my local Kikai Island specific way of drinking passion fruits. So these are kokuto shochu. In English, it's called brown sugar shochu. So these are a specialty of Amami Island, including my home island of Kikai. Shochu is a distilled liquor, like whiskey. So it's characterized by their gentle aroma of brown sugar and the mellow taste of rice koji malt. So passion fruit and brown sugar shochu with a glass of sparkling water is a delicious way to drink it. So lastly, the two shochu at the back are brown sugar shochu made by a distillery in Kikai Island. There are two big distilleries, Asahi Shuzo and Kikaijima Shuzo. So okay, thank you for watching. So let's get back on track.
So if you get the passion fruits, please make a passion fruit juice because it's very easy and very delicious and looks good color, is it? Yellow. Good. So if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching guys, and then see you in my next video. Bye.